Hi everyone. Introducing the 2024 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, the Bulldog Classic. A true power cruiser designed to make an unforgettable statement on the road. Built on the foundation of the iconic 2024 Fat Boy, this custom masterpiece takes the bold and muscular aesthetic of the original and elevates it to extraordinary heights. At the heart of the Bulldog Classic are its distinctive, chunky 18-inch wheels, a signature element of the Fat Boy that Thunderbike has transformed into a visual marvel. The once matte gray fields now shine in high-gloss black, creating a striking contrast that demands attention. But the real star here is the integration of Thunderbike's innovative pulley brake system, which not only enhances performance but adds a sophisticated touch to the design. The Bulldog Classic's stance is enhanced by a 30mm lowering of the front fork and rear shock absorber, creating a compact, muscular silhouette. Complementing this aggressive profile is a handcrafted steel rear fender, designed to perfectly hug the 260mm tire and add a custom-tailored look. The front end is equally striking, thanks to the newly designed steel front fender and a conversion to a hydraulic clutch system, which ensures an ultra-clean and modern appearance. Adding to the sleekness are the Atlas wide handlebars, paired with a riser kit for optimal ergonomics and control. Every element has been carefully curated to blend functionality with style. The Bulldog Classic doesn't just focus on its looks, it boasts the performance to back it up. With upgraded components like the adjustable shock knob, a floating brake disc, and a streamlined airbox cover with a drilled oval design, this motorcycle is engineered for riders who crave precision and power. The finishing touch is a paint design that pays homage to the original Fat Boy while incorporating subtle gray lines for a refined and understated elegance. This fusion of classic heritage and modern customization makes the Bulldog Classic a true testament to Thunderbike's craftsmanship. Key customization features include lowering kit shock stage 2, enhancing the Bulldog Classic's aggressive stance. Handlebar Atlas wide, 35 cm, with riser kit Atlas, 32 mm, precision handling with an eye-catching design. Turn signals stripe LED with housing, minimalistic and modern lighting solutions. Hydraulic clutch conversion kit, for a clean, contemporary rear-end look. Rear fender steel, 260 mm, a custom fabricated piece for a robust rear profile. Airbox cover oval drilled 114 and derby cover, adding style to essential components. Brake disc spoke floated, 300 mm, high-performance braking with a distinctive aesthetic. Pulley Brake Kit, a standout upgrade for seamless braking performance. Timer cover and grips, small details that make a big impact. Solo seat leather diamond black, for that perfect balance of comfort and style. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, aptly named the Bulldog Classic, is not just a motorcycle, it's a declaration of power, style, and craftsmanship. This is a ride for those who refuse to blend in, designed to turn every head on the road. Thanks for watching.